honey?
Yeah, of course you will.
It's kicking my butt. Ow. No, I'm just kidding. Right there. Okay, guys, we're going to eat. And because it's lunchtime. How do you call that, honey?
Monitor?
I mean, is that the stand?
Yeah.
So we just got today the monitor that we ordered. It's supposed to be delivered yesterday, but we missed it, so...
Well, we didn't miss it. They didn't know how to knock because that's FedEx. FedEx doesn't know how to knock.
Okay. So, yeah. It's
an LG.
Mm-hmm.
Then it's the 32 UD59. Oh, it says here.
Okay.
And it's a 31.5 inch 4K monitor. It has FreeSync. It's an IPS panel. It's only 60 hertz, so FreeSync's not super useful, but if you wanted to game, it'd be a little less choppy. And behind here should be some giant panel.
And it's big, guys. Oh my god. Bigger than my old monitor.
And there's some debate whether or not you should ever let your panel lay down like this, but let's just say when you're under 40 inches, you're okay.
Yeah.
But TVs, don't lay TVs down. TVs should always stand up because the weight of the panel will actually damage it.
Oh.
Well, not will. Could. So,
Nice.
it's quite the panel. We're going to have to make room to put it.
Yeah.
This is a lot of monitor.
You know what? We have to like clean the desk. Clean my desk first, honey. Oh, nice. That's nice.
That thing's huge.
Is it? It's big. Ayan, guys, yung... So,
kick this little guy out of
yeah,
here.
this is my new monitor. It's big.
Finally, you have something that uses DisplayPort because HDMI sucks.
Yeah, so tatanggalin namin to kasi the problem of this my old monitor. How do you say it, honey? It keep shutting down every second.
No, it
What?
shuts down occasionally for a few seconds.
Oh, there you go, guys. That's how.
But it's got a bad capacitor, so it has trouble keeping
Buy
up with
Samsung
the power.
monitor. How long you have that, honey?
I bought it in probably like 2012.
Damn, that's like how many years?
Okay, you got too much stuff. Look at all
I
this.
know. I'm gonna.
This was clean when I set it up.
I know. So now I have to clean that.
Hair clips? Come on.
That. Okay, guys, hold on. We'll be back. Nice. Ayan na, guys.
And doesn't it do that? I thought it did, but I'm not gonna force it. So
Yeah, I want it close to the. Push it a little bit to the.
no, because I have to put cables in it.
Oh.
I'm not gonna put it where it's gonna go until it's ready to go.
Okay. It's bigger than my old monitor.
Yeah, 32 is bigger than 27.
Yeah, this is 32 inches monitor, guys. And it's big. I'm excited to use it. Then setting up stuff.
They didn't want to give it a regular PC power cable. They want to be something proprietary, so they got their special little plug that I've only ever seen on other LG products, which is very unnecessary. Then they give it a right angle plug, which a regular plug would work so much better for this. This worked great on a wall. Too bad it's going into surge strip. So I gotta rearrange my surge strip so this will work. However, Geez, I have to move like 4 things on the surge strip for it to work. I should go downstairs and get a better surge strip.
Good morning guys, kagigising ko lang. Ayan, nalagay na ni Dan yung computer. Yung bagong computer. Yay, I'm excited. It's bigger than my old monitor. Ayan na siya. Ang laki. Ayan guys siya. Malaki siya. Ang laki, no? So, yay, I'm excited to play with it. Sorry, kagigising ko lang. Medyo makalat dito sa kwarto. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited to play with it. It's a 4K it is a 4K monitor, guys. So I'm excited to play with it. Kahapon to deliver tulog pa kami, so walang nag-receive kahapon kasi it's supposed to be sign. So ayun, hindi namin siya na-receive kahapon, kaya ngayon namin siya na-receive kasi kailangan nga mag-sign kung sino magre-receive kasi nga ano nga naman to, hindi pwedeng iwan basta-basta sa labas. You know, baka mawala or something lang. Pero yung maliliit na mail, yung mga maliliit lang, iniiwan lang normally sa baba, sa mailbox. Okay lang, hindi na kailangan mag-sign. Pero talaga tong monitor, kailangan talagang mag-sign kung sino yung magre-receive. Kaya, ayun, ngayon namin siya na-receive. Dapat sana kahapon pa, kahapon pa siya namin makukuha. Pero, yay, I'm excited. Ayan na siya, guys. Oh. Ang laki. Malaki siya, guys. So, ganyan siya. Kalaki. I think this is 32 inches monitor. But, magugutom ako. I want to drink coffee in the morning. And, baba tayo, guys. Magkape tayo, guys. Good morning, everyone. Let's start with coffee. And I'm using my favorite cup. Cute. Ayan na guys yung coffee. Kuha tayo ng spoon. And then, haluin lang natin. Ang cute. Nabili ko to guys sa sa Walmart. Meron silang 4 na type ng coffee cup. Meron silang 4 na type ng coffee pot. Tawag dito, yun nga yung wifey cup. And then, the second one is good morning. Third one is bless. And the fourth one, I don't remember the fourth one. Bless, wifey, good morning. I think that's, maybe 3. I don't remember anymore. But they have those type of cup in Walmart. It's cute.
You need?
No?
You need a cup that says, shut up till this cup is empty.
You have to make it?
Yeah.
You cannot find it online?
I bet no one's thought of that.
Well, you never know. You didn't look at it.
I know.
But it's 10 o'clock in the morning, guys, and today is Wednesday, and I don't have work today. I'm off today, so yay! So nagiinit na ako, guys, ng pan kasi I'm gonna cook sayote with ground pork, and I already have onion, and then this mayonnaise garlic. So yeah, initin ko lang yung pan ko and start na tayo mag-cook. Magkape tayo. I think it's been 2 days that I haven't drink coffee because I worked early, so I don't have time to make coffee. When I wake up, I go straight to shower and grab something to eat and then ready for work. So yay! Ang cute talaga, guys, ng coffee wifey. Mainit na ata yung yung kawali ko, mainit na siguro. Tapos nagluluto na ako yung rice ko, naka-ready na. Binili namin to sa Amazon. Ang ganda ng rice cooker na to. Ayan, yung rice ko nagko-cook na siya. So, lagyan lang natin guys ng check lang natin yung pan natin kung mainit na at saka mag-start na tayo magluto. So guys, luto na yung meat. Next na ilalagay natin yung vegetable. Yun na siya. Ilagay natin tong sayote squash. Yan ang hagay. Yan. Favorite ito ni Dan eh. Yung sayote. Ihalo-halo lang natin siya guys. And then, antin natin siyang maluto. So, yun lang. Halo-halo lang tayo. Favorite niya tong ano eh. Ulam sa, favorite niyang ulam sa rice. So, ayan. Hindi magpantay. Hindi pa ako marunong. So, halo-haloin lang natin guys yung ano. Luto na siya guys. It's cooked guys. Ayun na siya. Luto na siya. So, ano ko lang siya ng wait ako ng mga ilang minuto and it's ready. Yung rice guys, luto na siya. Tadan! Ayun na. Oops! Nag-steam siya. Ayun na yung rice. And pagluto na siya, ayan na yan. May, ito na yung ilaw niya. Maya-maya kain tayo guys. Kagigising ko lang guys. Ganyan na, hindi ako naghilamot. Ganyan ako pag nagising diretso agad. Wala nang hila-hilamos. Ganyan lang. Tali yung buhok. Ganyan lang. Luto na guys yung sayote squash. I like you clean outside. Oh, it's too bright. Sorry. I like you clean the back door, honey. It's look clean. Do you think I can plant whatever plants in outside that soil?
You can plant stuff, but it's not going to live.
Oh, really?
Because
right
once
there.
those trees grow leaves, your plants will get no sun.
Really?
Yep. Those trees suck.
Are you ready to eat, honey?
Maybe.
It's ready. Guys, comment down below if you want to make me
Make you.
if you want me to make a video of my camera, what type of camera I'm using for vlogging. Just comment down below and I'm gonna do it right away for you guys. Yes, honey?
Yeah, of course you will.
It's kicking my butt. Ow. No, I'm just kidding. Right there. Okay guys, we're going to eat. And because it's lunchtime. Kain tayo guys. Ayan na yung pagkain ko. Rice and sayote squash. Yummy! And then making his tea right there. Because he loves tea.
Yeah.
Right, honey? How often you drink tea?
As often as I feel like.
Often do you feel like? Wednesday ngayon guys. It's 11:33 in the afternoon. Afternoon na ba? Hindi pa. Hindi pa pala. Almost afternoon. Wednesday, April 3rd. So, ayan na yung itsura ng monitor ko. Ang laki. Malaki talaga siya. Kailangan kong linisin yung desk ko kasi makalat. So, ayan guys. Mag-i-edit lang ako ng not edit, I already edited it. So, mag-upload lang ako ng new vlog guys. And I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Oh, mamaya pala mag-ano kami, ang tawag dito. Sorry sa background, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos ng kwarto. Mag-gym kami mamayang alas 7 ng gabi. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko. So, yay! So, I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy my vlog today. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.